I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and in today's video I'm back with another video. I'm working on fixing my homemade IC F1 race car. As you can see, one of the wheels fall off, and later in the video now the wheel falls off, so yeah. So first off, I just cut off the cardboard bits because I'm going to be replacing the top with foam board more to make it look nicer. So yeah, as you can see now both wheels have fallen off, so I'm just working on filing down the old 3D printed part and then making a new part that's better and way more connected. So this time it should not break like it did last time. And I'm doing the same for the other side, then making it fit around the bearings, as you can see. Now I'm working on cutting out the foam board bits that will fit into the wheels. I just cut the bearing shape in the middle and then cut a circle around them about the same size as the inside of the wheel. Also, if you've subscribed to me recently for my drone content, I haven't been posting recently. As you probably saw, I killed my quad video. My flight controller died, and then Amazon shipping. Well, I have a new flight controller now, but I'm just waiting for new standoffs to arrive. And Amazon shipping is taking forever. They've lost my package in the mail, so yeah. So I had to get it ordered again, so sorry about that. I should be posting videos again for my drone videos in the next few days. So now I've just glued on the wheels and I'm working on a new plug because before I just plugged my battery right into the receiver without any plug or anything, but I add a plug. I'm also gluing foam board to the top and curving it around to make a nice shape, then cutting it down to size. And then I'm cutting it at an angle so it fits flush too. Then I'm cutting out the hatch. Then I'm using some duct tape to hold the hatch in place. Okay, now I'm testing everything. Now I'm gluing in the rear axle because it wasn't glued in quite well enough. Now I'm working on some more new side pieces. This is not going to look exactly like an F1 race car now, it's more like a futuristic kind of thing. I don't know what I'm doing exactly with that, I just made it look like this. I wasn't looking at like any pictures or anything, it was just kind of impromptu. So now I'm just working on cutting it out to the right shape so it will fit nicely. Cutting out a hatch in it for the battery so I can access that. Then I'm just mirroring that for the other side. And then just trying to glue it in place. And then curve it around the front to make a nice flush finish. Then using some duct tape and then some hot glue to make it nice and flush. So it looks better in real life than it does like this because you can see all like the nice curves and stuff. Unfortunately with my camera angle you can't really see that. Hopefully in the driving video of this tomorrow you'll be able to see that better. So now I'm just doing the other battery hatch, and I'm working on making a mount for my run cam so I can film videos from it itself, because that's one of my main goals with this, to be able to film. So with that, that's about all for this video, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.